The worst mistakes when trying to eat healthy. Eating healthy seems simple, right? But many people make common mistakes that ruin their progress without even realizing it. In this video, I show you the worst mistakes to avoid when trying to live a healthy lifestyle. Stay until the end because I'll share easy solutions for each mistake. Mistake number 1: choosing light or low fat products. Many people buy products labeled light or low fat, thinking they are better, but these often have extra sugar or chemicals to improve the taste. This can lead to more calories without realizing it. Solution: check ingredient list and choose natural, whole foods instead. Mistake number 2: skipping meals. Skipping meals like breakfast seems like a good way to cut calories, but this can slow your metabolism and make you eat more later. Solution: plan a small balanced meals. If you're not hungry in the morning, a healthy snack works too. Mistake number 3: overusing superfoods. Superfoods like avocados, quinoa, and chia seeds are great for your health, but eating too much of them won't guarantee balance or results. Solution: focus on variety in your meals. Balance is the key to getting all the nutrients you need. Mistake number 4: obsessing over calories. Counting calories can be helpful, but focusing only on numbers can stress you out and hurt your relationship with food. Solution: focus on food quality and how it makes you feel. Prioritize nutrients over numbers. Mistake number 5: not drinking enough water. Many people don't realize how important hydration is for their health. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger, which makes you eat more. Solution: keep a water bottle with you and drink regularly throughout the day. Personal reflection: sometimes we forget that we are the artists of our own health. Health isn't about being perfect, it's about being aware. Every meal you prepare is a chance to take care of yourself. Don't blame others. Instead, take control of your choices and build a healthy, happy future. Conclusion: now you know the worst mistakes to avoid and how to fix them. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. If you enjoyed this video, Subscribe to the Art of the Healthy Balance and hit the notification bell for more tips like this. Share this video with someone who's trying to live healthier. See you in the next video.